Samsung is preparing to launch its next big foldable phones, and the tech world is buzzing with leaks and rumors. One of the most exciting reveals is about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Just yesterday, a major leak from OwnLeaks showed off the phone's new design, and people were quick to notice a huge change. The Flip 7 will have a larger cover screen that stretches across the top part of the phone, wrapping around the rear cameras. This looks very similar to the design of the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Before this leak, we didn't know exactly how big the new cover screen would be. But today, industry expert Ross Young confirmed that the Flip 7 will have a 4.05-inch cover display. That's a 19% increase compared to the 3.4-inch display on the Flip 6. This means the Flip 7 will have the biggest cover screen ever on a clamshell foldable phone, beating Motorola's Razr 50 Ultra. Earlier leaks from Android headlines suggested that the Flip 7 would look almost the same as the Flip 6. Many fans were disappointed, hoping for a major redesign. But now, with this new leak, it's clear that Samsung is making big changes. The full cover display is a huge step forward. The Flip 7 isn't just about looks, it's also getting a power boost. Leaks suggest that it will run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, making it super fast. Plus, the battery is getting bigger. The Flip 7 is rumored to have a 4,300 mAh battery, which is larger than the one in the Flip 6. A bigger battery means longer usage time, which is great for people who use their phones all day. While all eyes are on the Flip 7, there's also exciting news about Samsung's larger foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaked images show a side-by-side comparison of the Fold 6 and a prototype that is believed to be the Fold 7. Samsung has been facing tough competition from Chinese brands that make foldable phones with sleeker designs. The Mobile World Congress, MWC. Samsung showcased a new foldable phone next to the Fold 6. The company didn't confirm if it was the Fold 7, but experts believe it was showing off the new screen technology planned for the Fold 7. One of the biggest complaints about foldable phones is the visible crease in the middle of the screen. However, Samsung's new prototype has a barely noticeable crease. This is a major improvement over older models. If Samsung can bring this new screen technology to the Fold 7, it could be a game changer. That said, just because Samsung showed this screen at MWC, it doesn't mean it's ready for production. The prototype was not available for people to test, so we don't know how smooth it actually is. However, rumors suggest that even the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition will have a fainter crease, meaning Samsung is actively working on this issue. Leaks also suggest that the Fold 7 will have a wider and thinner design than the Fold 6. While it might not be the thinnest foldable ever, this change could make the phone easier to hold and use. The Fold 7 is also expected to have larger displays, squared-off corners, and an overall modern look. Another exciting rumor is about the camera. The Fold 7 might feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a huge improvement. If true, this could make it one of the best foldable phones for photography. With the Flip 7's massive cover display and the Fold 7's improved screen and design, Samsung is making big moves in the foldable phone market. The competition is getting tougher, and Samsung needs to deliver something special. The official announcement for these phones is still months away, but with all these leaks, it's clear that Samsung is planning something big. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch.